When is the last time that you deep cleaned your washer and dryer? If you're anything like me, it's probably been a while. I believe it's been at least a year, I'm embarrassed to admit. So join me today while I deep clean both my washer and my dryer. To start, I like to quickly just spray everything down so that my cleaning solution can work while I move on to dusting and removing everything from the top surfaces. At the end of the video, I have a little hack I do to keep my washing machine and my dryer looking like the first day I bought them. Make sure you keep watching to see the product that I use. I definitely recommend dry dusting before going in with a wet cleaning solution. It just is going to make your job so much easier. Because I have another product that I put on at the end, I'm just using a warm water and soap mixture to wipe everything down. Now that my cleaning solution has sat for a bit, I'm just taking a detailed scrub brush and thoroughly cleaning the inside seal. This was disgusting and satisfying at the same time. And just wiping the rest of the door off with a washcloth. Now that I'm finished cleaning this rubber seal and the whole exterior of my washing machine, it's time to clean the actual drum. I like to use these Fresh tablets for this. It's actually what my washing machine recommends. I typically do this every 1 to 3 months or as needed when I start to smell a mustiness coming from my washing machine. I always clean my lint trap after every load, but looking down here, I can see a lot of lint building up, and a house fire from a dryer scares the crap out of me. So I'm just going to get my vacuum extension and get down in there and get rid of all that lint buildup. I'd also like to hire a company to come out and kind of force all the lint out of the piping that's within our walls, just in case. Let me know in the comments section if you have ever had your dryer venting professionally cleaned. I'm curious to know the process and if you felt like it was worth it. Now I'm just quickly vacuuming this lint screen, and I'm going to give it a quick wash with some soap and water and let it air dry. And now I'm just moving on to the dryer. It's hard to appreciate how dirty and dusty this actually was. It doesn't really pick up all the detail on the camera, but I'm just going to wipe everything down with some warm soapy water. And on the door, I'm just using that little detailed scrub brush again. The dryer door had so much hair and lint and dust. Moving on to my favorite part. This LifeProof product has literally changed my life. I use it on all of my appliances. Creates almost like a shiny protective layer that repels dust, and it is truly amazing. You can see here it's really buffing into that chrome and just putting a really nice shine on everything. Now I'm just going to quickly restock any of my laundry products. I hope you found some value in today's video. If you like this content, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video.